Maybe we should open the windows.
Whoa! Yes! Wow!
How about some nice cool water? I can't take it anymore. I want cold water. I want ice cream. I want a fridge.
What in the world is a fridge?
You can store every kind of fruit in here.
Wow!
Ice cream, water, even meat.
Whoa!
Okay, let's make one then.
But I don't know how to do it. I just know that it's really cool.
We just need to find something cool enough then. What about ice?
We need many.
Just ice.
Whoa! La 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 la. Yeah! Whoa! 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 Stop! Ow! Huh?
A little bit more, we will have a fridge.
And cold water and ice cream and... Why are you so wet?
Huh?
This time we gotta run before the ice melts completely. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? Ah! Huh? Whoa!
It's so cold.
And it doesn't melt.
So we can use them.
To make a fridge.
Yeah! Yeah!
Now we just need them to cool down. Do you think we brought home too many frost fruit?
Oh!
It's fine, probably. It's not fine at all.